boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for joining me. I'm Mickey D. Welcome back to the Stock Scoop. Our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition. And we're going to talk about one of our baby knockouts, one of our gold baby knockouts today, one that we haven't talked about before, I don't think ever. So it's going to be a little treat here. But happy 4th of July to everybody, Independence Day in America. I wish you and your family well today. There's been a lot of accidents already before the actual day and night of fireworks. So be very, very careful. If you didn't see my last video, which it didn't go out, it was informing you that the Baby Knockout newsletter is out. So make sure you check your mail. The emphasis for this newsletter is on gold, silver, AI, and uranium. Those are all areas right now where our baby knockouts are doing very, very well. If you had a basket of this, a basket of that, you diversify a little bit, you'll be doing very, very well, ladies and gentlemen. Let's Without further ado, we're going to take a look at one of the baby knockouts. You know, I know you're with your family, you're having a good time and all. So we'll take a look at one of our gold baby knockouts that has done really, really well over the last few years or so. Before we do that, I did want to give you a shout out for you that gave me a birthday shout out. Thank you very much. Tuesday, Joseph, it was Dexter, Reg, Mark, Tuck, all of you. I can't start your name. All of you, I want to thank you very much. All my friends, and if I missed you on one of the social medias, please forgive me. As we looked in that video at critical minerals, which was not put out, but they will be having a when I say they, I'm talking about Washington and the big shots will be having a ribbon cutting ceremony in Wyoming next week on the 11th, on Friday. That was the date I want you to get there. And I go over that stock that owns that particular rare earth coal mine or so that we haven't opened one of those in 70 years. So you may want to take a look at that stock. It's $11, $12 or so. It's not really a baby knockout, but that's the one that the politicians are buying and everything. So make sure I'll put that video up and you guys can take a look at it. It supposedly was released last night or earlier today, or it was kind of messed up, so it didn't quite make it. But anyway, let's take a look at a baby knockout here in the gold sector, which is, whatever reason you want to say gold is going up, whatever debt, geopolitical concerns, interest rates, whatever. There's a lot of reasons that and many, many more why gold and silver will go to the roof. Just be patient. We don't chase them, we replace them, ladies and gentlemen. So let's take a look at this gold stock real quick, if we can here. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me. It's Mickey D. This is the Stock Scoop, home of the baby knockout, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition. Let's take a look with Kitco. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe on this July 4th, Independence Day. Let's take a look here at the spot price for gold. As we look at the July contract, 3,330 dollars, whereas the August contract is up a little high, especially with silver. Silver, we're showing 36.80 right now with silver. Silver's actually over 37 on the forward contract, ladies and gentlemen. That is a good price. We like to see silver in that direction here. Let's take a look at uh, baby knockout New Gold. Now, New Gold has been around. It's like an original gold company for us, and it has done everything that we expected it to do, and it's been controlled. It's been steady. It's not fancy. It's just done the job. New Gold hits fresh high is there still room to run? Yes, we believe there's plenty of room to run for New Gold. And this article here, this is Zach's equity research. Uh, it's been a strong stock. It's doing well. It had a high. It's up near its highs right now. We'll take a look at the chart here in a second. And like I said, whatever you think or uh, old man gold or young man silver or Bitcoin or what have you, gold is getting the job done. And I'll leave this article for you. I don't need to read through an article here, and uh, you can take a look at it. I'll leave it in the show notes, and you can take a look at it. But as we look at this company, as we look at they're a producer out of Canada. They have a couple projects. They have the couple assets rather. Two core producing assets located in Canada, top rated political jurisdiction, as you guys know. Lately, there's been a little bit of feud between the United States and Canada. They'll get it together, but their Rainy River mine and also their New Afton mine. So both of their it's gold copper mine with the New Afton, and you're looking at gold silver with Rainy River. So the numbers are improving. It's a typical baby knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Reserves, resources are improving. Everything about this company is showing improvement over the years. Now, when we did our early research, we thought that this company would have a possibility of doing things, and it has. Yeah, like I said, it's close to its 52-week high right now. You can go over the investors portion of it. Uh, there's a lot of information on their website. I'll leave this for you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll leave the website for you. On this Independence Day, if you don't have any baby knockouts, you can go over to Amazon.com. You get junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains. This book, two of the 16 stocks have been added to the big board. Two have also been bought out. So that leaves you like 12 stocks or so, ladies and gentlemen, that are in various time frames. But if you want one early that hasn't broke out, they're there. If you want one that has broke out a little bit, it's there. If you want one that's just drill result, it's there for you. This book will pay dividends for years to come, ladies and gentlemen, for years to come. Told you that once before, told you that twice before. I've told you that a lot of times. That's junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be getting those one with silver now at $37 with the August con. We're looking really, really good, ladies and gentlemen. Really, really good. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Make sure you put New Gold on your watch list and just take a look at it if you're not in it already. Many of you are in under $1, and that's where we start with a lot of these baby knockouts. Sometimes it takes weeks, sometimes it takes years to get up to these lofty heights, but it's slow and steady with the baby knockouts, ladies and gentlemen. And don't let them shake you out of these trades. Wall Street wants your cheap shares. So hang in there. There will be a lot of volatility, ups, downs, ups, downs. You guys hang in there and stay on your A game, ladies and gentlemen, because they'll shake you out. Wall Street is tough. You know, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. But you got secret weapons. You've got stock. Open up you an account. You've got stocks, ladies and gentlemen. You've got what it takes to really do well in this business. You are all of you are successful, productive people if you're watching my show, because I know you are. Because that successful, productive people trade stocks, and to get ahead in America, and to get ahead in the world. Uh, Everyone sends their money over to America, and we're right here, and we can make things happen, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, we don't chase these stocks; we replace them. It's pennies and patience that wins. You win the race in on Wall Street, ladies and gentlemen. I've had countless stocks that have gone from down low, baby knockout, under a quarter to way up, ladies and gentlemen. That's the way we roll here. We don't get thrown off our game. We get into these stocks, and when they go up, we add a little, add a little. We cut the losers, get rid of them. We have stops. We have time frames of when we want to get out of these stocks or what prices we want to get out. They're either mentally or we set them on the platform. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do what we have to do to make this a very, very successful gold trade, very successful silver trade, the AI trade, and the uranium trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make it happen. We also do the Bitcoin trade, but I'm not talking about Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is in a range. It's getting ready to break out of that range. But when it breaks out, I will definitely let you know. But what's on the table right now? Gold and silver and uranium. You can't beat this trade, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. When you're looking for energy, looking for strength, look up, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. God bless you. Take care.